Hello guys, welcome to this ICT and computer science revision tutorial. I'm going to give an overview of what we're going to be doing. First, we have a crash overview of everything. Topic 1 is overview of computers. Topic 2, application of computers. Topic 3, number and signal conversion. Topic 4, Boolean Logic. Topic 5, hardware devices. Topic 6, data types and data structures. Topic 7, computer algorithms. Topic 8, expressing algorithms. Topic 9, computer programming. Topic 10, language translators. Topic 11, computer files. Topic 12, computer software. Topic 13, application software. Topic 14, databases in computer. Topic 15, operating systems. Topic 16, computer networks. Topic 17, classifying computer networks. Topic 18, local area networks. Topic 19, network models and protocols. Topic 20, transmission media. Topic 21, data communications. Topic 22, overview of the internet. Topic 23, internet services. Topic 24, web development. Topic 25, computer organization and architecture. Topic 26, computer ethics and crime. Topic 27, system development. Topic 28, project management. Topic 29, computer practicals. And topic 30, other things in computer. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe so that you can watch the lessons whenever I upload.